Hey guys, so for a year, so for like what's the time? So on 26th of January 2025, this thing is gonna start because I'm going to play daily levels for all of the 365 days. Because I really want to get this icon. Happy New Year. Complete 365 daily levels in normal mode to unlock this cube. And it looks cool. It's like a clerk in a clock. Or should I say a clock in a cloak? Okay, here we got Funny Money, which is the first ever daily level I have ever played. Playing. So this is my first ever daily level I ever played. This daily level is the first ever daily level I am playing right now. So, oh my god, how do I make that make sense? What? Nah. I can't even get to the first 10%. And the heart and bruh. Nah. This has to be an insane. Right, let's do practice mode. I usually don't do. Oh yeah, I have hitboxes. This is not used by Mega Hack. If you can go, you can go to options and enable. No, you can go to practice mode and wait. Let's see. Yeah, see, it says show hitboxes. Funny money. Oh hell no. Funny money. Supreme. Oh my god. With the literal hitboxes, it looks like a literal extreme demon. Oh my god. So guys, I'm sick today. Oh my god. I haven't eaten. Okay. I forgot to say my new intro my intro starter saying, which is yo Diego plays here. So hey guys, sorry. Oh, that was close. Funny money. Oh, how am I doing this? Doing this. It's the last part. Do not die. Beep. Yes! What a death. Wait. Okay. Now, We're gonna see. Can I see how someone look? Freebie. Freebie. Right, and now that is the end of the video, I believe. Yep. I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow. So bye guys.